Hello everyone, welcome to my hair tutorial. Today we are going shopping to Sally's where I will be getting some hair dye. But for now, my keys, my bag, oh, don't forget my camera lens, that is very important. Don't scratch my camera lens, otherwise I won't be able to make good videos. So off we go now, and this is me on the mirror. Peace. So now we are leaving the house. This is actually my old house. By the time this video is up, I would have moved already. But as you see, there's nice plants. Good luck, turtle. Bye, turtle. And to the car. So now we're getting inside my car. Obviously I can't record, so by the time I'm back on here, I'll already be at Sally's. Totoro. So I came to Sally's to get some hair dye because I had previously dyed my hair this color, which is a really nice kind of soft lavender blonde. But my other hair, I don't know if you can see, it's still that ugly turquoise that I cannot get out. So I wanted to get that color remover to remove the green, but I honestly think that's probably as good as it's gonna get because I have not dyed my hair in I want to say about a month, and yeah, the color's not coming out. So I think I'm just gonna go over it with a darker purple, maybe like a stronger lavender. I think that'd be nice. And then once that fades, it'll probably be silver, because that's what happened here. Like, it was that green as well, but then I did it like a burgundy, and burgundy has kind of some purple tone in it. It eventually washed off to about this color, and then once it washed out, I tried going over it with that Wella hair color, and now I got this nice icy tone, but unfortunately that green didn't work. So yeah, so we're going to Sally's. So I wasn't sure which hair dye I wanted to get, if I wanted to get a blonde, like nice sandy blonde, or maybe like a blue, because I always gravitate to blues and purples. But yeah, there you see like a nice lavender color that I would always kind of usually wear. And here we are back home. I have to do some stuff in between, so it's kind of dark now. But as you see, my hair is down. It was in a braid, nice and wavy. So I parted down the middle. And now I'm just gonna fast forward it for you guys, because this kind of tedious part about dyeing your hair. Slapping the hair dye on. So as you see, I did pick a nice kind of purple again, but later in the video you'll see that it came out a little bit more pinkish than I wanted. So I'm gonna put on my gloves so I don't stain my hands, and make sure to wear something that you don't mind getting stained. For example, the sports bra that I wear is already bleached, as you can tell. So just applying the hair dye now from the roots and down to the tips. And I did mix this one with conditioner to dilute the hair dye and to spread it more evenly on my hair. I think the color is like an orchid. And yeah, just some hair conditioner, mix it in the bowl. So that is the consistency I wanted for my hair.